Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, we have come to the Destiny Palms Hotel here in Kissimmee, Florida. I'm just going to give a brief room tour and just some of my general overall impressions about the hotel. So let's go and check it out. Now, this hotel is an older hotel. It is on part of the Maingate area into Walt Disney World, which this area until the early 1970s there was nothing here. And this hotel, it looks like a hotel built in the 1970s. And the reason this area, it's called the Maingate area, is because originally when you were coming into Walt Disney World, back when it was just the Magic Kingdom, it was the only area to get to the main gate of Walt Disney World. The hotel definitely has an old school vibe to it. You can tell it is getting along in age, but there's something a little quaint, a little charming about it, just because of the old architecture. And the stairwells, now there is an indoor staircase and elevator, but the side ones, these old school outdoor staircases. You do not see these anymore. Room 206. And this is my room. It is not a very large room at all. Sink there in the mirror. There's the bathroom. We'll come and take a little more and we'll look over everything's here. The toilet was clean, as was the shower. There's not a whole lot of space in this room. Other type of microwave. The mini fridge is cleaned out. That's good to see. Ice bucket up here. Small little wardrobe. You won't be looking for Narnia in there. A couple drawers. Small little coffee maker. Of course, the king-size bed. But that's it. That is the room. TV. But for about right around $50 a night, including tax, you cannot go wrong. All right. here is a look out my window. There you have it. That is the room tour of the Destiny Palms Hotel here in Kissimmee, Florida. This hotel, I mean, for the price especially, I mean, it's really not that bad. I know it's rated as I believe it, like most places, a 2-star hotel. If you're coming with a larger family, it may not be adequate for you nowadays. But if you're a solo traveler, or even if you're a couple, you're looking to save a little money, it's really not that bad. It's a pretty good hotel. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you would like to, you could support this channel. You could go to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube and become a member for just $3. Or you could just make a donation too through any of those ways. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.